Good evening, everyone, and welcome to tonight's edition of the Flagler Weather Info video brief. Just a reminder that the data we use comes from the National Weather Service office in Jacksonville, Florida. Well, it was a beautiful day across Flagler County. That frontal system that came into the area last night washed out and allowed high pressure to kind of take control. We had temperatures peaking out right near that 70-degree mark today, ranging from 68 degrees at the beaches to 70 to 72 at inland locations. There might have been a few points that were a little bit warmer than that. Partly cloudy skies most of the day. We had overcast skies this morning, but those clouds quickly cleared out. Mostly clear skies to about the middle part of the day before those clouds started puffing up again. Let's take a look at our forecast details, and on our weather map, a high pressure system that is over central Florida is going to hold there right through Saturday, keeping a mild westerly flow going across the area. The next frontal system, another dry front, will approach late Saturday night and early Sunday morning. Now let's take a look at our forecast for tonight. Mainly clear skies, a few puffy clouds early, but then generally clear skies. Some patchy fog will be possible late. Winds will be generally falling off to near calm to generally light out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Low temperature bottoming out near that 48-degree mark for most of us. However, if you are near the intracoastal waterway or over there by the ocean near the beaches, expect lows there to be generally in the lower 50s to the mid 50s, depending how close you are to that ocean. Looking at Saturday now, looks like it's going to be a beautiful day across Flagler County. Maybe a little bit of fog in the morning, but other than that, expect mainly fair skies with plenty of sunshine. A few puffy clouds possible in the afternoon. Winds developing out of the west and in northwest at about 10 to maybe 15 miles an hour at times. Could be some variability in that wind. We expect it to shift more to the north later on in the evening. High temperatures on Saturday peaking between 70 and 75 degrees. Most places will see the lower 70s. Right along the immediate beaches will be a little bit cooler there, so probably closer to 68 degrees or so along the coast. Now looking at Saturday night, expect fair to partly cloudy skies. Winds generally out of the north about 10 miles an hour. Low temperatures between 50 and 55 degrees. Now looking further ahead into the end of the weekend, Sunday night, expect the little conditions to pick up a little bit, becoming breezy. Winds out of the northeast at 10 to 15 miles an hour under partly cloudy skies, and those partly cloudy skies may yield a few quick passing showers or sprinkles blowing in off the ocean on Sunday. High temperature generally near the 70-degree mark, lows generally in the 50s. Of course, always warmer near the beaches. Now getting into Monday and Tuesday, we get into a warming trend ahead of the next front. Looks like partly cloudy skies, highs generally in the lower to mid 70s during the daytime, and lows generally in the 50s at night. Now looking at Wednesday and Thursday, we expect a band of showers and maybe a few thunderstorms to come through. We do not expect it to be potent or strong at this time. It looks like most of that energy will be north of us. High temperatures getting into the 70s during the day and lows in the 50s at night. By Thursday afternoon and evening, we expect the rain to pretty much end. We'll work on the timing with that as we get closer to it. And be generally fair to partly cloudy skies. Lows generally in the 50s to 40s late Thursday night. And looking at Friday, expect mainly fair skies, highs in the 60s, lows in the 40s. And that's looking at the week. Now looking at the beaches, surf running 2 to 3 feet. Surf temperature about 60 degrees. Watch out for the rip currents. There might be a few bigger waves out there as well. So folks, to sum it up, it's going to be mild tomorrow, plenty of sun, maybe a little bit cooler and breezier on Sunday, but generally no extremes in temperatures. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful evening. Be sure to tell your friends about us and share our videos, and check Flagler Weather Info for additional updates.